testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Back when they thought pink polos would hurt the ride before Cam got.
Hey y'all, how are you all doing today? I hope you are doing very well. So I'm getting ready to install a wig I was sent from Ashimary Hair. Big shout out to them for sending me out this hair. They sent me out this highlighted wig. I cannot remember the lengths that I got, or the lengths. I can't remember the length that I got, so I will have all of the information and specs in the description box if you're interested. But this is the inside of the cap. This wig is too small for me, so I'm gonna have to finesse it. So just to be on the safe side, I would suggest you to size up, just to be safe, because it's better to have a wig that's bigger than a wig that's too small. You can always, you know, make your wig fit better when it's bigger. So anyway, I'm gonna put this on. This is the bag that it came in. It's like a teal looking bag.
Back when Gucci was the shit to rock, back when Slick Rick got the shit to pop, I'd do anything to say I got it. Damn, them new loafers hurt my pocket. Before anybody wanted K-West beats, me and my girl split the buffet at KFC. Dog, I was having nervous breakdowns, like, man, these niggas that much better than me. Baby, I'm going on an aeroplane, and I don't know if I'll be back again. Sure enough, I sent the plane tickets, but when she came to kick it, things became different. Any girl I cheated on, she skeeted on, couldn't keep it at home, thought I needed a knee along. I'm trying to right my wrongs, but it's funny them same wrongs help me write the song now. I gotta testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl, testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky.
Yes, 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 guess who's on third? Lupe still like Lupe in the third. Here like here till I'm bitter on the curb. Peach fuzz buzz but bitter on the verge. Let's slow it down like river on the serve. Bottle shaped body like Mrs. Butterworth. But before you say another word, I'm back on the block like I'm laying on the street. I'm trying to stop lying like I'm Mum-Ra, but I'm not lying when I'm laying on the beat. On guard, a touche, Lupe, cool as the undog, but I still feel possessed as a gun charge to come as correct as a porn star. And a fresh pair of steps and my best foreign car. So, I represent the first. Now let me end my verse right where the horns are, like,
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky. You gon' touch the sky, baby girl, testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day you die, you gon' touch the sky.
we back at home, baby.
Sky high, I'm 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 sky high, sky high, I'm sky high.
Yeah, keep it rolling. Yeah. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home. Feels good to be home, baby. Feels good to be home.
I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking.
Alright y'all, so I just did a quick little straighten. Again, this wig is too small for me, so I can't really like finesse it how I want to. So if you decide to get this wig, please, please, please go ahead and size up just in case. Because I would rather have a bigger wig than a smaller wig, like I said earlier. But yeah, all the specs and details on this unit is in the description box. Again, if any of you are interested, big up to Ashimary Hair again for sending me out this unit. I thank you so much, and big up to each and every one of you who came to watch another one of my videos. I thank y'all so much. I love y'all, and I'm going to see you all in my next video. Bye.
Jay favorite line, dog, in due time. Now they look at me like, damn, dog, you what I am. A hip-hop legend, I think I died in an accident, cause this must be heaven. I gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die, I'ma touch the sky. Gotta testify. Come up in the spot looking extra fly. For the day I die.